Hi friends. In this video, I will share my experience at a budget hotel in Geylang, Singapore. This is Hotel Ibis Budget Emerald, and is part of a chain, which was formerly known as Fragrance Hotels. My stay at this hotel was not good, due to excessive noise from outside, or from other rooms in the hotel. I will show the room where I stayed, and also share details of the noise problem which I faced. Here it is. This is the building of the hotel, on Lorong 6 of Geylang Road. This place is at a walking distance from Geylang MRT station. Location-wise, it is good because of not only a metro station nearby, but also because there are local bus stops on the main road. But perhaps, that is the only good thing about the hotel. My room, which was a superior double, was compact, as expected. I have stayed in other hotels of this chain earlier, and I knew the room would be small. Singapore being an expensive place, hotels with bigger rooms were beyond my budget. This superior double will cost approximately 100 Singapore dollars per day, plus or minus a few, depending on when you book, and the discount you get from the travel site. At that price, this room would actually be too expensive, but that is how it is. The room had only the basic amenities. The bed looked smaller than a queen bed, and the mattress was not so comfy. Fortunately, the air conditioning worked well. The bathroom was small, with a narrow shower box. The room amenities included a flat-screen TV, and an electric kettle with tea-coffee supplies. But no water bottles were provided. I was expected to take water from a tap in the bathroom, which I did not. Instead, I bought water bottles from grocery stores on the main road. Again, the room having just the basic amenities was expected, but the real problem there was the noise. Every night, there was noise coming either from the ground floor, or from some other room. It was the sound of someone using a hammer or something like that. This noise continued much after midnight. I was able to sleep only after 2 a.m. I asked for a room on a higher floor, because I was staying for 5 days. But the staff did not care. They changed my room, but to a still lower floor. The noise problem continued throughout my stay of 5 days. I believe the staff could have given me a room on a higher floor after I complained, but they did not. Because of that, it was my last Ibis budget hotel. Not going back to that hotel chain. So, what do you think about this? Is Singapore becoming too expensive to visit because of insanely high hotel tariffs? Please share your views and feedback in a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos like this. Many thanks for watching.